welcome to the first in the series of WWNT video updates. Right now we're about to ride Dumbo to take a look at the new Fantasyland construction just over the construction walls. Okay, well, we just saw from the Dumbo ride that actually all the stuff is coming along very well. And if you look just over my left-hand shoulder, you can actually see Belle's cottage is now getting its roof. Let's come over and take a look at the concept art we have over here for this. And as you can see, the concept art was pretty much dead on. The shape of the house is exactly like what we just saw from up above. Now over here we have the new Snow White mine train coaster. And as you saw, there was a relatively large plot of land that was cleared for that, so we can only imagine when construction on that's going to start. We don't actually know. However, over here on this concept art over here, this actually was not released online. This bit of concept art shows an interior scene, and you'll notice here of the new dynamic ride system that these vehicles will actually swivel and pivot as you go through the ride. Never before been used, so we'll be anxious to see how that turns out. We're over here now at the Little Mermaid, and from the looks of it, it appears as though the first spire of Prince Eric's castle has actually gone up. We can only assume, we don't actually know. However, based on the concept art, that's what it looks like. And if you notice, there were actually, when we rode Dumbo, we saw that there were cobblestone work on the building itself, which is very interesting to note because there doesn't appear to be any in the concept art. However, we can only assume that it will actually be that way since that's exactly what we saw. So there you have it, folks. This is an overview of the new Fantasyland construction. We'll be sure to keep you updated as things develop. Reporting from the Magic Kingdom for the WWN Tube, I'm Taylor Martina. Surprise, everybody! Look! Tinker's bounce area is open! That's all I'm doing, Max. That's all I'm doing.